Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of fashion of stunning Kriti Sanon. Kriti always manages to turn heads with her fashion choices. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic looks. When it comes to casual outings, Kriti effortlessly blends comfort with style. She's frequently spotted in trendy yet laid-back ensembles, such as high-waisted jeans paired with crop tops or oversized sweaters, accessorized with statement sunglasses and designer handbags. The actress often pushes the boundaries with bold choices. From unconventional cuts to daring patterns and prints, she adds her own flair to every outfit, turning heads and setting trends along the way. Her off-duty style exudes effortless charm. Whether she's spotted in a breezy maxi dress or a casual jumpsuit, her laid-back yet polished aesthetic never fails to impress, proving that comfort and style can indeed go hand in hand. Accessories play a crucial role in Kriti's style game. From statement earrings and layered necklaces to chic belts and stylish hats, she knows how to accessorize with finesse, elevating even the simplest of outfits to a whole new level of sophistication. The actress often opts for monochromatic looks, showcasing her mastery of minimalism. Whether it's an all-black ensemble exuding sleek sophistication or a crisp all-white outfit radiating purity and elegance, she proves that less can indeed be more when it comes to fashion. Embracing the trend of power dressing, Kriti is often seen rocking tailored pantsuits with confidence and grace. Whether it's a classic black suit for a formal event or a vibrant colored ensemble for a fashion-forward statement, she exudes power and authority in her chic pantsuits. Her beauty aesthetic perfectly complements her fashion choices. She often opts for natural-looking makeup with a focus on glowing skin, subtle eyeshadow, and nude lips. Her hair is styled in effortless waves or sleek updos, adding the finishing touch to her impeccable look. Even in her casual wear, the actress maintains her style quotient with athleisure-inspired outfits. From trendy leggings paired with oversized hoodies to sporty tracksuits accessorized with sneakers and caps, she effortlessly combines comfort with fashion for an effortlessly chic look. Kriti is also known for her eco-friendly fashion choices, often opting for sustainable and ethically sourced clothing brands. Whether it's promoting eco-conscious designers or opting for recycled fabrics, she advocates for fashion that is both stylish and environmentally responsible. The actress effortlessly channels bohemian chic with flowing maxi dresses, crochet tops, and fringe details. She exudes a free-spirited charm with her choice of earthy tones, layered jewelry, and loose, tousled hair, embodying laid-back elegance with a hint of wanderlust. Whether it's a tailored blazer, a stylish leather jacket, or a cozy oversized coat, the actress knows the power of statement outerwear in elevating her outfits. She often layers her looks with eye-catching jackets or coats, adding depth and personality to her ensembles. Kriti pays homage to classic Hollywood glamour with vintage-inspired fashion choices. From retro silhouettes to timeless accessories like cat-eye sunglasses and pearl earrings, she effortlessly channels the elegance of old Hollywood starlets, adding a touch of nostalgia to her modern-day style. Drawing inspiration from her travels and diverse cultural influences, the actress incorporates elements from around the world into her fashion choices. Whether it's a tribal printed dress, a kimono-inspired jacket, she celebrates global diversity through her eclectic style. Kriti advocates for body positivity through her fashion choices, embracing her curves with confidence and grace. Whether she's flaunting figure-hugging dresses or rocking high-waisted jeans, she encourages women to embrace their bodies and celebrate their individuality through fashion. The actress often collaborates with designers and brands to create fashion-forward collections that reflect her personal style. From capsule collections featuring her signature pieces to collaborations that promote sustainability and inclusivity, she uses her platform to drive positive change in the fashion industry. Kriti puts her own spin on classic wardrobe staples, redefining timeless pieces with modern twists. Whether it's a tailored white shirt with unexpected details, a little black dress with a contemporary silhouette, or a classic trench coat styled in a fresh way, she proves that classic doesn't have to mean boring. The beauty effortlessly brings back retro trends with a modern twist. From flared jeans and tie front tops to psychedelic prints and bold colors reminiscent of the 70s, she infuses her wardrobe with a nostalgic charm, proving that vintage-inspired fashion never goes out of style. The actress understands the importance of the right footwear in completing an outfit. Whether it's sleek stilettos for a red carpet event, trendy sneakers for a casual day out, or stylish ankle boots to add edge to her ensemble, she showcases a diverse range of footwear styles, each carefully selected to complement her look. The actress collaborates with renowned stylists and fashion houses to curate exclusive looks that reflect her personal style. From custom-designed outfits for special events to high-profile partnerships with luxury brands, she leverages her influence to create fashion moments that capture the essence of her unique aesthetic. The actress seamlessly transitions from day to night with versatile wardrobe choices. She knows how to elevate casual daytime looks for evening events by simply swapping out key pieces or adding statement accessories, showcasing her knack for effortless style evolution throughout the day. Whether it's through wearing clothing with empowering slogans, supporting sustainable fashion brands, or using her red carpet appearances to raise awareness about charitable organizations, she proved that fashion can be a powerful tool for positive change. The actress experiments with various hairstyles to complement her outfits and enhance her overall look. Whether it's sleek straight hair, tousled waves, or chic updos, she showcases versatility in her hairstyling choices, adding an extra layer of glamour to her fashion ensembles. Kriti masters the art of layering, effortlessly combining different textures and garments to create visually appealing outfits. Whether it's layering a lightweight blouse under a structured blazer or pairing a chunky knit sweater with a flowy midi skirt, she adds depth and dimension to her looks with strategic layering techniques. Even during her workout sessions or casual outings, the actress maintains her style quotient with fashion-forward activewear. She's often seen sporting stylish leggings, crop tops, and athleisure sets in bold colors and trendy designs, proving that fitness can be fashionable too. The actress knows the power of statement jewelry in elevating her outfits. Whether it's oversized hoops, layered chains, or chunky bracelets, she uses bold accessories to add a touch of glamour and personality to her looks, effortlessly catching the eye and making a statement. Amidst the ever-changing trends, Kriti relies on timeless classics to anchor her wardrobe. From crisp white button-down shirts and tailored blazers to little black dresses and tailored trousers, she invests in key pieces that stand the test of time, allowing her to create polished and sophisticated looks effortlessly. The beauty effortlessly transitions from daytime casual to daytime glam with her fashion choices. She knows how to add a touch of sophistication to her daytime looks with polished separates, structured accessories, and subtle makeup, striking the perfect balance between laid-back elegance and daytime glamour. The actress makes a statement with her outerwear choices, opting for fashion-forward coats, jackets, and vests to complete her looks. Whether it's a dramatic cape coat, a tailored trench coat, or a cozy fox fur jacket, she uses outerwear as a stylish finishing touch to her outfits, adding both warmth and flair. The actress has a few signature style staples that are always present in her wardrobe. From oversized sunglasses and structured handbags to pointed toe pumps and statement belts, these timeless pieces reflect her personal style aesthetic and serve as go-to accessories to elevate any outfit. Kriti carries herself with elegance and poise, showcasing the timeless beauty of Indian fashion with a modern twist. And there you have it, Kriti Sanon never fails to impress us with her impeccable fashion sense and versatile style. Which of these looks was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.